Hello, this is Reggie Pinkston, Mr. I Want to Go Fast, and you're here because you want to see best small business startup write-offs, the ultimate list. Let's get to it.
9to5killer.com. I want to go fast.
All right, so these are going to be the top 14 tax deductions according to 9to5killer.com. And by the way, we have a website over there with plenty of other information, business related, some entertainment business, credit, that type of stuff. But I will say that I'm not a tax professional. So really, this list is for you to have some ideas so you can take them directly to your local tax professional and get his or her advice. Okay, let's go. All right. Let's get to it. And again, you can find the link to this blog post below or around the video. And because there's going to be more information, I'm going to keep adding on to the post so it'll grow. So no matter when you see it, there's going to be more information than you're going to get in this video. Okay. But yeah, stick around. Okay, let's start like this. Number 1, business insurance. All right, great news. You can deduct the cost of your business insurance on your tax return. If you have a home office or use a portion of your home to run your business, you can deduct your renter's insurance. You deduct your renter's insurance costs as part of your home office write-offs. So no excuses. Get your business insured, even if you have to put it on your business credit cards. And you know my motto, I love credit. I love business credit even more. And yeah, you should check out, well, let's just keep going. Number 2, office supplies. All right. Oh, we kind of jumped right there, didn't we? Office supplies. Let's keep going. Okay. There's no reason not to get everything you need to run your business professionally. All right. You can write off office supplies, including printers, paper, pens, computers, and work-related software, as long as you use them for business purposes within the year they were purchased. You can also deduct work-related postage and shipping costs. Be sure to file all receipts for office supply purchases for documentation, meaning that when you get your stuff ready for the tax people, you got all that stuff situated. All right? You want to be as compliant as possible, right? Number 3, education. All educational expenses you take on to help you with your business are fully deductible for tax purposes. The requirements for education-related expenses are that the course or workshop must improve your skills or help maintain your professional expertise. Some educational expenses that qualify for deductions include courses and classes related to your field of work, seminars and webinars, trade publication subscriptions, books related to your industry. So don't skimp on keeping yourself educated. It's deductible. All right. Number 4. I love this one. I think you're going to love it too. Travel expenses related to work. All right. All expenses related to business travel can be written off at tax time, including airfare, hotels, rental car expenses, tips, dry cleaning, meals, and more. You can check out the IRS website for a full list of deductible business travel expenses. To qualify as work-related travel, your ship should meet the following conditions. The trip must be necessary to your business. The trip must take you away from your tax home, i.e. the city or area in which your company conducts its business. And you must be traveling away from your tax home for longer than a normal workday, and it must require you to sleep or rest en route. And again, you can check out the full list on the IRS website. And as you can see right here on our blog posts, we have it linked to the page for you so you can find it immediately. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Number 5. Okay, got a little bit of artwork here. Number 5, business promotion and ads. If you can, business promotion and ads. Now, if you just a little bit creative and you put credit cards with business promotion and ads being tax deductible, you can come up with some things. But I'm going to go into it. You can fully deduct expenses related to promoting your business, including digital and print advertising, website design. And by the way, we do website design. And if you do qualify, you might even get the website design for the amazing price of free $99. Free $99. Let me continue. Website design and maintenance and the cost of printing business cards. So stop relying on just word of mouth and let people know you're ready to do business and you have something to sell. All right. Number 6, professional expenses or fees. Okay, let's get into that. Any professional service fees that are needed to operate your business, such as legal, accounting, and bookkeeping services, are deductible for tax purposes. If you use accounting or bookkeeping software for your business, that would also qualify as a tax deduction. If you are having trouble determining whether a particular professional service expense is for work or personal use, these guidelines for legal and professional fees from the IRS can help you judge the nature of the expense. Again, I provide a link on the website, 9to5killer.com. I'll leave a link down below. Gotta have fun with it, man. All right. 7, business interest plus bank fees. Now, again, if you're using any like credit or anything like that to finance your business, to help grow your business, then you're going to really love this one right here. Business interest plus bank fees. If you borrow money to fund your business activities, the bank will charge you interest on the loan. When tax season comes around, you can deduct the interest charged on business loans and business credit cards. You can also write off any fees and additional charges on your business bank account and credit card, such as monthly service fees and any annual credit card fees. Annual credit card fees. Come on now. So there's no reason why you are not building your personal credit so you can use it to get all the financing you need with business credit. Right? Very simple. And they say the reason why a lot of businesses fail, really, why that myth, why that saying is so prevalent, is because most businesses just don't provide themselves with any financing to grow or support them during the slow times. Right? Okay, number 8, employee salary. And this is for you cheap people out there that say you can't hire some employees, even though there's virtual assistants and employees like this that can do work for you overseas and all this mess. You still won't break the bank to pay for any employees. Here goes one for you cheapies. Employee salaries and benefits. If you're a small business owner with employees, you can write off their salaries, benefits, and even vacation pay on your tax returns. There are a few requirements for writing off salary and benefit expenses. The employee is not a sole proprietor, partner, or LLC member in the business. The salary is reasonable and necessary, meaning make the pay appropriate for the job they're doing, okay? The services delegated to the employee were provided, meaning they actually did the work. Simple. All right? And again, contact your local. This is a framework for you to be able to ask or give your tax professional some groundwork to move on your behalf. Get the professional to do it. All right? Number 9, moving expenses. Sometimes to grow your business properly, you may need to move to another state. Well, you're in luck. If you move and the main reason for doing so is work-related, you might be able to fully deduct the costs associated with the move. To qualify, your move has to pass the distance test. To pass the distance test, your new job location has to be at least 50 miles farther from your former home than your old job location from your previous home. Basically, we do not use this one if we just want to move up the street. Okay? We want to be putting some miles up on the board, all right? Number 10. All right? Phone and internet expenses. That's kind of plain, but we're still going to go through it, okay? If using the phone and internet is important to run your business, you can deduct these expenses. If, however, you use the phone and internet for a mix of work and personal reasons, you can only write off the percentage of their cost that goes toward your business use. For example, if roughly half your internet usage is business related, you can write off 50% of your internet expenses for the year. All right? That's a small one though, right? But never know. 11. Okay, we're moving. Home office expenses. Okay. This one looks kind of long. The gig economy has really given home-based grinders the upper hand by making them more legit. That's why under new simplified IRS guidelines for home office expenses, home-based, small business, and freelancers can deduct $5 per square foot of your home that's used for business purposes, up to a maximum of 300 square feet. To qualify as a tax deduction, your work area has to be used exclusively for business, i.e., you can't write off the square footage of your dining room if you do your work at the table during the day. and you need to use the home office regularly as your principal place for conducting business. All right? So, find you a 300 square foot space in your house, post up a My Office sign, throw all your work-related stuff in there like your laptops, printers, phones, and binders, then holler at your tax guy when the season is right. Okay? It's easy stuff. Good stuff, though, right? Number 12, charitable contributions. You can deduct charitable contributions or donations that you make to qualifying organizations. If your business is set up as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or partnership, you can claim these expenses on your personal tax forms. If your company is a corporation, you claim charitable donations on your corporate tax return. Here's a simple small one you could take advantage of. When you're cleaning out the kids' closet for clothes that they have grown out of, simply bag it up and take it on over to the Salvation Army and ask for a receipt for tax purposes. There's one for personal, okay? For business, I'll give you another example. I can give away free website design, right? While I can't deduct the service, I can deduct the hourly rate spent delivering the work. To be sure, though, we suggest you speak to a true tax professional. And that's why you might qualify for some website design for free 99. Check below for some contact information or some more information on that. All right. 13. Client. This one is interesting. Client and employee entertainment. And my boss used to do this, and I was like, man, he's such a great guy. He's such a great guy. The way he treats us, I didn't know that this was what he was probably using right here. Client and employee entertainment. If you take business clients out, you can deduct the expense as long as you discuss business during the meeting and the entertainment takes place in a business setting for business purposes. Deduct 50% of the cost of these entertainment expenses. You can also deduct as much as 100% of the cost of social events held for your employees. Again, be sure to consult a tax professional. Now, on to my favorite deduction of all. Drum roll, please. Number 14. Yeah, let's get to it. Ooh, yeah, this is definitely my favorite one right here. Startup expenses. If you launched a new business venture in the latest tax year, you can deduct as much as $5,000 in startup expenses you incurred during the lead up to your business launch. That can include costs associated with marketing your new business, travel, and training costs. If you spent less than $50,000 total on your business startup costs, you can deduct $5,000 of those costs immediately. In the year that your business starts operating, all right? So here's an idea. If you got good personal credit, you can leverage that to start your business credit with business credit cards. Use a personal guarantee, or PG, then use the funds on the credit card to pay for startup expenses, then deduct it all when the time is right. You can start a real business with zero money out of pocket. If you have any questions, just join us in our free group. There's bound to be someone there that can answer it for you. And we'll try to keep some professionals in there from time to time. And if you are a tax professional and you came across this video, we welcome you to the group and you could be one of the professionals. I'm pretty sure people would like to hire you for your services. Yeah. So yeah, look down below. You have contact information for the website, this blog post itself, the free group for the credit coaching, where we also help you to repair your credit for free. Yeah, we'll also have referrals for tax professionals in your area down below. And what else should we have? Yeah, definitely referrals for tax professionals in your area. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a wrap. What else? Yeah, well, I guess you know the recipe to become a beast. Learn, do, then teach. Easy. And it is.